Good morning, students. In the previous class, Saturday class, we discussed about minor. Once again, I will repeat that minor, then I will explain about cofactor. Minor of an element. Already Saturday explained about this. Once again, I am repeating this. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Is a square matrix of order 3 or 3 by 3 of order 3 or 3 by 3. Suppose you have to find the minor of each element. Suppose if you have considered A11, minor of A11, minor of A11 is we denoted with capital M11. This is equal to where the element is present, left that row and column. Here A11 is present in the first row and first column, left that row and column, and write down the determinant of remaining submatrix. Here the remaining elements means A22, A23, A32, A33. In the same way, if you consider the second element, minor of A12 is M12. Here see that the second element in first row, second element, it is present in first row and second column. Left that first row and second column, first row and second column. Write down the determinant of remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? A21, A23, A31, A33. This is minor of A12. Next, if you considered the third element A13, minor of A13, minor of A13 is M13, minor of A13 is M13. Left this first row and third column, write down the determinant of remaining elements. That is A21, A21, A22, A31, A32. In this way, each element, all 9 elements, we can write the minors. I am completed the first row. In the remaining, you can second row and third row. In the same way, you have to follow that one. And if you don't, if you know the minor, from that minor, we can write cofactor of each element. See that cofactor. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. Cofactor of an element. First, write down the definition. The cofactor of element. The cofactor of an element. An element. Small aij. Cofactor of an element aij is denoted by cofactor of an element aij is denoted by capital Aij, and it is defined as Aij equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j minus 1 whole power I plus j into Mij, where Mij is the where Mij is the minor of an element, minor of an element Aij, minor of an element Aij. Already we discussed about minor of an element. Cofactor means the cofactor of an element Aij. Small aij, it is denoted by capital Aij, and this is equal to minus 1 whole power sum of these suffixes. Minus 1 whole power sum of these suffixes I plus j into mij. Already we know that how to find out mij. Mij is nothing but minor of each element. Okay, if you take this same matrix, suppose you have to write the cofactor of A11, cofactor of A11 is capital A11, capital A11, capital A11. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into M11 minus 1 whole power into M11. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 2. Minus 1 whole square means it is plus, that is equal to M11. That is equal to M1. This concept is very, very important. If you know the minors and cofactors, these will use in the 5 marks question in 4.6 exercise. Very, very important this concept. Here M11 means already we find M11. What is the M11 value? Determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. Determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. That is cofactor of A11, small a11. It is denoted by capital A11. This is equal to minus 1 whole power sum of these suffixes into M11, where M11 is nothing but the minor of the element A11, where M11 is nothing but the minor of the element A11. In the same way, if you consider the second element, cofactor of A12, cofactor of A12 is capital A12. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12 into M12. Cofactor of A12 is capital A12, that equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. Here minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 means minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube means it is minus M12. Minus M12. Minus M12 means already we know that M12 value, substitute this M12 value, determinant of A21, determinant of A21, A22, A22, sorry, A23, A12, A23, A31, A31, A33. This is the minor cofactor of capital cofactor of A12. It is denoted by capital A12, and it is equal to minus 1 whole power sum of these suffixes 1 plus 2. It is minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube means minus. That's why minus M12. Already we know that M12 value, determinant of A21, A23, A31, A33. In the same way, we can write all elements, all 9 elements. Okay, note down the students. Okay, for this write down one problem, one example. Find the minors and cofactors. Find the minors and cofactors. Find the minors and cofactors of the determinant, each element of the determinant. write the minors and cofactors minors and cofactors of the elements of each element of the following determinant. Here determinant of 2 minus 4 0 3, 2 by 2 matrix. It is determinant of 2 minus 4 0 3. In the exercise 4.4 first problem 1. Write the minors and cofactors of each of the following determinants. Here it is a 2 by 2 determinant. First one, minor of 2. Here minor of a11 that equal to 2 is minor of a11 that equal to 2 is m11. Here it is 2 by 2 determinant. No, direct we can write this. Here if you left where the element is present, left the row and column, write down the determinant of remaining submatrix. Submatrix means we'll get 1 by 1. Direct that value only determinant. That means minor of a11 is m11 that equal to 3. Here we are leaving this row and column to write the determinant of remaining submatrix. Here the remaining submatrix, what is that? Only single element, 1 by 1. Already we discussed 1 by 1 matrix, the determinant is directly you have to consider that element. Here the minor of a11 equal to 2 is, that is m11 that equal to 3. Next, cofactor of a11 equal to 2 is capital A11. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into m11. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into m11. This is equal to m11, because minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 is minus 1 whole square, m11, that value is 3. Next, minor of a12 that equal to minus 4 is capital M12. This is equal to where the element is present. Minor of a12 equal to minus 4, that is M12. Left that row and column, here first row and second column, the element is 0. Next, cofactor of a12 that equal to minus 4 is capital A12. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into M12. Then it is minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 means minus 1 whole cube, that is minus M12. Here minus M12 is nothing but minus 0. Minus 0 means the value is 0 only. Cofactor of A12 is capital A12, the value is 0. Next, minor of the element, minor of A21 that equal to 0 is M21. Minor of A21. Left this row and column, the element is minus 4. Okay, next cofactor of A21 that equal to 0 is capital A21, capital A21 that equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1, left this row and column into M21. This is equal to minus M21, minus M21. Already M21 value is minus 4, already here minus is there. Minus of minus plus 4. Next, minor of A22, minor of A22 equal to 3 is M22. This is equal to left the second row and second column, remaining element is 2. Next, cofactor of A22 equal to 3 is capital A22. This is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into M22. Here minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 means 4, minus 1 whole power 4 is 4. It is M22. Here M22 means 2. In this way we can write the minors and cofactors. These conditions will use in a 5 marks question in 4.6 exercise. Very, very important concept. And maybe chance is there for 1 mark question also. They will ask one element. Write the minor or write the cofactor of some particular element. If you write that only one, enough. Up to now only one time it is given for 1 mark question and total in 14 previous papers. Only one time it is given. Minor or cofactor, they will ask any one element, they will ask, that is for 1 mark. In the same way, we will write the minors and cofactors of on 3 by 3 determinant. In the first main, second problem is there, the same method, you have to write answer. In the second main, write down second problem, minors and cofactors. Minors and cofactors. Write the minors and cofactors of the determinant 104 35 minus 1 35 minus 1 012. Write the minors and cofactors of each element. Write the minors and cofactors of each element. Minor of A11 equal to 1 is M11. This is equal to determinant of left first row and first column. Write down the determinant of remaining elements 5 minus 1 1 comma 2. 5 minus 1 1 comma 2. Then it is 5 2 is 10 plus 1 11. Next, cofactor cofactor of a11 equal to 1 is minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 m11. This is equal to m11 equal to 11. For cofactors, no need to write this minus 1 whole power direct. If you remember the symbols also, we can write plus minus, minus plus, minus plus minus plus. First element we got plus m11, second element will get minus m12, third element again will get plus m13. In that way also we can write. Next, minor of a12 equal to 0 is m12. Minor of a12 equal to 0 is m12. This is equal to left this column and row. The remaining elements are 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Left first row and second column 3 minus 1, 0, 2. This is equal to 6 minus 0, that equal to 6. Cofactor of a12 equal to 0 is capital A12. Here see that the sum of the suffix 1 plus 2, 3 odd number, then we'll get minus m12, that is minus 6. The sum of the suffix is even, we'll get plus of minor. The sum of the suffix is odd number, minus of that minor of that element. Next, minor of a13 is capital M13. Left first row and third column and write down the determinant of remaining elements 3, 5, 0, 1. This is 3 minus 0, that equal to 3. Cofactor of a21, that is 3, is a13. First you have to write this a13, that is 1 plus capital A13, 1 plus 3 it is 4, directly M13, that equal to 3, cofactor. Next, minor of a21, that equal to 3 is M21, that equal to left where the element is present, it is present in second row and first column, and write down the determinant of remaining elements, that is 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. It is 0 into 2, it is 0, 1 into 4, minus 4, that equal to minus 4. Here cofactor of a21 is capital A21. It here 2 plus 1, 3 minus, that's why we'll get minus M21. Minus M21 means minus of minus 4, it becomes plus 4. Next, minor of a22 equal to 5, that is the M22. Left second row and second column, and write down the determinant of remaining elements. Second row and second column, left this second row and second column, write down the determinant of remaining elements, that is 1, 4, 0, 2. This is equal to 2 minus 0, that is 2. Minor of a22, that is M22, determinant of 1, 4, 0, 2, that equal to 2. Next, cofactor cofactor of A22 is capital A22. Here sum of the suffixes 2 plus 2 4. It is even directly that minor M22 that equal to 2. Next minor of A23 is M23. This is equal to A23. Second row and third column. Left the second row and third column. Then the determinant is 1001. 1001. This is 1 minus 0 that equal to 1. Cofactor of A23 is capital A23. 2 plus 3 5. It is odd. Then we'll get minus of M23. This is equal to minus 1. The second row is completed. Next, see the third row. Minor of A31 equal to 0 is minor of A31 equal to 0 is M31 that equal to left the first column and third row. Left the first column and third row. Then the remaining elements are 0, 4, 5 minus 1. 0, 4, 5 minus 1. Then it is 0 minus 20 that equal to minus 20. Cofactor of A31 equal to 0, capital A31. This is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, even. Therefore, M31 that equal to minus 20. Next, minor of A32 equal to 1 is M32. It is present in third row and second column. The determinant of remaining elements 1, 4, 3 minus 1. This is equal to 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 3 into 4. That is minus 13. Cofactor of A32 is capital A32. This is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, odd number, then we'll get minus M32 that equal to minus of minus 13. Next, minor of A33. Minor of A33 is M33. Left third row and third column, write down the determinant of remaining elements 1035. It is 5 into 1, 5 minus 0 that equal to 3. Minor of A32. Then cofactor of A33. Is capital A33. Here sum of the suffixes 3 plus 3 6. Sum of the suffixes 3 plus 3 6. It is even. Direct M33 that equal to 5 minus 0 5. It is 5. In this way, any determinant is given, we can write the minors and cofactors. They will ask the question in 4.6. They will give the 3 equations and we have to solve by using matrix method. In that case, we have to write down all the cofactors of 9 elements. For that exercise, it is the practice how to write the cofactors, because you have to solve the 3 equations in 4.6. Solve the 3 simultaneous equations by using matrix method. In that method, we need all the cofactors. You have to write cofactors matrix From that we can write adjoint matrix. For that purpose we need all the cofactors of each element. That's why written for all 9 elements. Note down the students. Already how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix we are discussed. Using these two cofactors also, these cofactors, we can find the determinant of a given matrix. We'll discuss about that. The determinant of a square matrix of order 3. The determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by using cofactors. By using cofactors. By using cofactors. The determinant of a square matrix of order 3 determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by using cofactors. By using cofactors. By using cofactors. The determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by using cofactors. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here you have to find the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix by using cofactors. By using cofactors. Determinant of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First, here write down the cofactors of first row elements. Cofactor of A11 is capital A11. Here see that the sum of the suffix 1 plus 1, 2, even. Directly we have to write the minor. Minor means left that where the element is present, left the row and column. Here A11 is present in the first row and first column. Left the first row and first column. Write down the determinant of remaining elements. What are those elements? 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. It is the cofactor of A11. Okay. Next, cofactor of A12. cofactor of A12 is capital A12. You see that the sum of the suffix 1 plus 2 3 odd number, then we'll get minus A12 is present in the first row and second column. Left the first row and second column, write down the determinant of remaining elements. Here first row and second column, what are the remaining elements? A21, A23, A31, A33. Next, cofactor of A13. Cofactor of A13 is capital A13. Here 1 plus 3 it is 4. 4 means even. Even means we'll get plus sign. Cofactor of A13 is capital A13. Here 1 plus 3 it is even, then we'll get plus sign. Left where A13 is present, first row and third column, left that one, write down the determinant of remaining elements. That is A21, A22, A31, A31, A32. These are the cofactors of the first three elements. Here already we know that how to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. That is the determinant of A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Determinant of 3 by 3. That is the symbols are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. I am expanding using first row, that is A11, left this row and column, write down the determinant A22, A23, A32, A33. For the second element it is minus A12, left first row and second column, A21, A23, A31, A33. Next A13, left first row and third column, write down the determinant of remaining elements. What are the remaining elements? A21, A22, A31, A32. This I can rearrange. A11, determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. This I can written as plus A12 into minus of, this minus I am writing here, minus of A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13, the determinant of A21, A22, A31, A32. Okay. You see that determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33. See that the cofactor of A11, capital A11 value, that is A22, A23, A32, A33. That means in this place we can written as capital A11, that is cofactor of A11. Yo A11 into capital A11 plus A12. See the cofactor of A12, capital A12, that is minus determinant of A21, A23, A31, A33. Then it is capital A12 plus A13. This is capital A13. From this we can conclude that the determinant of a matrix is equal to the product of the sum of any row or any column. We are taking here first row. Product of sum of the cofactors of any row. Here we are considered first row. You can take second row also, will get det A. You can take third row also, det A. In the same way, first column, first, second column, third column, that value is equal to determinant of the matrix. Therefore, det A is equal to A11 capital A11 plus A12 into capital A12, A13 into capital A13. From this we can conclude that the determinant of a matrix is equal to the sum of the cofactors of any row and their sum of the and product of the elements of any row and corresponding cofactors not only first row, and if you consider the second row also, then we have to take the cofactors of second row elements. If you consider the third row, cofactors of third row elements. Note down. If you want, write down that note. The sum of the determinant of a matrix is equal to the determinant of a matrix is equal to the sum of the product of the elements of any row, in bracket or column, any row or column, with their corresponding cofactors. The sum of the product of elements of any row, in bracket or column, with their corresponding cofactors. From this already we are taken first row and with the first row cofactors. Similarly, we can take det A equal to, suppose if you take second row and second row cofactors. In the same way, third row, A31, capital A31, A32, capital A32, A33, capital A33. Suppose if you take the columns also we can consider. Suppose if you consider the first column, A11, capital A11, A21, capital A21, A31, capital A31. Here you have to consider any row or any column, compulsory you have to write down the corresponding cofactors. Here the suffixes of that element and cofactor suffix both are same. Here A11, A11, A21, A21, A31, A31. This is equal to, if you take second column, A12, capital A12, second column, A22, capital A22, and A32, capital A32. If you consider second column. Just in the same way, if you consider the third column, A13, capital A13, A23, capital A23, A33, capital A33. You can take any row or any column elements and same corresponding cofactors. And another condition that also I will prove here, if you consider the first row elements and corresponding to second row cofactors. If you take the sum of the first row elements and second row cofactors, the value becomes 0. The value becomes 0. That is also I will prove. First note down this one. Here, if you consider the first row elements, that means A11, second row cofactors A21, A12 capital A22, A13 capital A23. That means here we are considering first row elements and second row cofactors. The value must be equal to 0. In the next class, we'll discuss about that.